clarify something.
Honourable Minister of Finance.
Dark Vader voice, please. Star Wars. Madam Speaker, the point is the opposition needs to understand that they are not government. This side is government. This side are the ministers. Madam Speaker, if they want to know about the budget, they can ask the ministers. The purpose of them calling the civil servants, we do not know what the purpose is. Not just simply saying, oh, why did you put this? It's them putting their own spin on it. This is the reason. I'd like to know how many other opposition parties in the past have been allowed the kind of access that they want with the civil servants. None. 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 Not in the manner, 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 Madam
Honourable
Speaker.
members, time is going. It's repetition.
Madam Chair. Madam Chair.
I feel like being a speaker and stand up, but I couldn't. So the onus is on you to please just let's move on this one. Please continue.
Madam Chair, the honourable member needs to get off personal attacks. Seriously. He is not acting honourably. He is not acting honourably. This House is always a lot better without your presence. Madam Chair, the point is this, that the kind of access they want, nobody else has ever been afforded that. The Honourable Minister here has been in previous governments and he will testify to that. You have never been a minister and I don't think you ever will become a minister. Madam Chair, the point is, the kind of access they want, Madam Chair, the kind of action they want, that has not happened before. And we have said to them continuously, they can ask the individual ministers. The individual ministers have never done that. He is making accusation of corruption. Do you have any proof?
I have a law.
Oh, then present it! Then present it, my friend! You don't have a leg to stand on.
Yourself down.
No!